still incredibly scorching hot. I came back from tree yoga. Good morning. I'm in Clapton because I'm gonna go to this place called Glock. Okay, so people leave their bikes here. What's an absolute pleasure of a studio? I just finished Pilates, and over here they have even parallax hair dryers. I like it here. I'm gonna come out. I'm not wearing foundation and I have a spot, so.
Wealth was much more than money. It was whatever gave us value. Fame, sex.
On New York City, such an incredible loss. Culturally, it changed everything.
Steve is that kind of guy that, you know, if he did something the night before, he created. It was fun.
Good morning. So I'm walking towards Violet. It's another beautiful day. I should be in the park, but I have so much work to do. And my computer isn't working. Well, it's working, but my internet isn't working. So I'm going to see if it's just my flat or if it's everywhere, because you know it's one of those situations where all my devices connect except my computer, so the Wi-Fi actually seems fine, but at the end of the day it needs to work on my computer, so we'll see what happens. I haven't been filming very much because I've been cycling a lot, and even though I got an accessory to wear my GoPro, I haven't been brave enough to use it, or shameless enough. It's kind of obvious and you have to carry it on your chest. But I'm a better cycler now. Do you know, I've been going to cycling lessons, like actual professional, not just to learn how to cycle, but to be good at it. And it's really cool. My teacher cycled to Poland from here, which is crazy. So it's been very interesting to do athletic classes. I feel like as adults we stop learning many things that really there's no reason to stop learning when you're an adult, you know? And for some reason we have shame about it, or we feel like if we don't know something by now, then it's not worth learning, or it's not possible to learn. That happens a lot with simple things. And it's just the same as when you're a kid, really. You practice, you go to lessons, and then you can do it. That's all there is to it. It's like playing instruments, or learning how to drive, or learning how to swim, or things like that. I'm a big believer in self-development, and I don't like to divide my life into now there's a learning phase and then there's a working phase, because actually I've always been working and I'm still learning, so for me there isn't that distinction. This is so trippy because right now it works at home just fine.